Click the My Network tab to view and manage your LinkedIn connections. Click here to manage your LinkedIn network and connections. Browse and manage your LinkedIn connections to expand your network. Click to search connections using various filters. Click this button to view and apply advanced filters to refine your search results. Check this box to filter search results by location in Canada. Click here to add a company to the filter criteria. Select the specific company from the filter options to narrow down your search results. Select University of Victoria to filter search results by alumni from this institution. Select the checkbox to filter profiles by the English language preference. Click the Show Results button to filter and see the updated search results. Click the Message button to send a direct message.